This is day 3 notes. We're still solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. The only thing different now is they are not in standard form. All the other assignments were in standard form, but these are not. So we're going to have to put them in the correct order. Okay, standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. It has to be in that order. The x squared term goes first, the x term, and then the constant with no x. So that's not in the correct order. This is the term with no x, so that's your c, your constant. This is the x squared term, that's your a. This is the x term, that's your b. It has to go in the correct order, which you guys should already know how to do. So I have x squared, then the x term goes next. And now remember, the sign has to go with it. So it's a negative 14x. It's going to be minus 14x. And c is a positive, so it's going to be plus 49 equals 0. Now I'm ready to use the quadratic formula. Create your skeleton. Oops. Okay, so a is 1. B is negative 14. C is positive 49. So then type that into the calculator. So I get 7. Okay, and I'm going to type that. I'm going to go back, copy it, and change the plus to a minus. Enter again, I get 7 again. So I don't have to write 7 twice. That means that it only has the one solution. Okay, example 2. I only have 2 terms here. So the x squared term goes first, 9x squared. But I don't have a term with just the x. So that means x is 0. And then minus 25, that's your c with no x. So a is 9, b is 0, c is negative 25. So remember, anytime you don't have a b or a c, you put a 0 in its place. You're always going to have an a because that's what makes it quadratic. But if you don't have a b or a c, you put 0 for the placeholder. So create your skeleton. And put in your A, B, and C. Type it in a calculator. So I get x equals 5 over 3. Okay, go up, copy, and change the plus to a minus. I get negative 5 over 3. So I could also write that as x equals plus minus 5 over 3.